Superposition of waves. Superposition of waves हा नवीन सिलेबसमधला 6वा टॉपिक आहे. या टॉपिकमध्ये अगोदर आपल्याला वेव्ह म्हणजे काय, वेव्ह कशाला म्हणायचं ते आपल्याला अगोदर पाहावं लागेल. वेव्ह मीन्स oscillatory disturbances of a particle in a medium. Oscillatory disturbances of a particle in a medium generates a wave. Oscillatory disturbances of a particle in a medium generates a wave. So we have to give a small example. We have to give a small stone, and such stone will be dropped on the white surface of water. Then some ripples will be formed on the surface of water, and such ripples they will move in all possible directions. That is the water waves. Then the wave will be also produced on a stretched string, but wave will be shown are in this type. Are in this type. Wave is made up of small particles. Wave is made up of small particles. So, wave consisting of one is a crest and another is a trough. Crest means the particle travel in the upward direction are called crest. Particle travel in the downward direction are called trough, or convex part of the waves are called crest, concave part of the waves are called trough. So distance between one crest and one trough is the wavelength. The distance between one crest and adjacent trough are called as wavelength. Wavelength is also defined as the distance between two successive points in a wave. Distance between two successive points, these are the mean point and these are the final point, is the wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by lambda. Wavelength is denoted by lambda. It is measured in meter, centimeter, Angstrom unit, or the form in AU, the Angstrom unit. The dimension of wavelength is mass is 0, length is 1, time is 0, is the dimension of wavelength. What is my frequency? फ्रिक्वेन्सी म्हणजे काय? फ्रिक्वेन्सी कशाला म्हणायचं आपण? Frequency means these are the one cycle is the half cycle. Phase of one wave is 2 pi. अशा नंबर ऑफ सायकल एका सेकंदामध्ये किती मूव्ह होतात त्याला आपण फ्रिक्वेन्सी म्हणतो. आपण मीन्स नंबर ऑफ सायकल पर सेकंड इज द फ्रिक्वेन्सी. नंबर ऑफ सायकल पर सेकंड इज द फ्रिक्वेन्सी. मीन्स n equal to 1 by t. Frequency denoted by n and time period is denoted by capital T. N is equal to 1 by t. Frequency is measured in hertz or symbol is Hz. The another definition of frequency is the reciprocal of time period is the frequency. What is the dimension of frequency? So dimension of frequency is n equal to 1 by t आहे म्हणजे is the t1. So is equal to mass is 0, length is 0 and time is -1. Is the dimension of frequency. What is my time period? Time period means time period आपण कशाला म्हणायचं आपण time period? Time taken to complete one cycle. Time taken to complete one cycle, one vibration, one revolution, one oscillation is the time period. प्रत्येक चॅप्टर मध्ये ही डेफिनेशन वेगवेगळी घ्यायची आपल्याला. फ्रिक्वेन्सी म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ सायकल पर सेकंड, नंबर ऑफ ऑसिलेशन पर सेकंड, नंबर ऑफ रिव्हॉल्युशन पर सेकंड, नंबर ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन पर सेकंड इज द फ्रिक्वेन्सी. आणि टाइम पिरियड मीन्स टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट वन सायकल, वन रिव्हॉल्युशन, वन ऑसिलेशन, वन व्हायब्रेशन इज कॉल्ड एज टाइम पिरियड. is the time period t of one wave. So t equal to is 1 by n. हा t इकडे गेला आणि हा n ला डिवाइड झाला. is the formula for time period. So time period is measured in second. सेकंड मध्ये आहे, मिनिट आहे, आवर्स आहे, डे मध्ये आहे, इयर मध्ये आहे, मंथ मध्ये आहे. तर हा झाला टाइम पिरियड. और टाइम पीरियड इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. द डायमेंशन ऑफ टाइम पीरियड इज mass is 0, length is 0, time is 1. The reverse of frequency. m0 l0 t to the power 1 is the time period. Then what is my amplitude? Amplitude म्हणजे काय? Amplitude कशाला म्हणायचं आपण? कारण आतापर्यंत आपण एक आपण पाहिलं वेव्ह म्हणजे काय, नंबर 2 क्रिस्ट म्हणजे काय, ट्रफ म्हणजे काय, नंतर फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे, टाइम पिरियड आहे, वेव्हलेंथ आहे. आता आपण पाहतोय एम्प्लिट्यूड म्हणजे काय. एम्प्लिट्यूड मीन्स the maximum displacement of particle from its mean position. Maximum displacement of particle from its mean position are called as amplitudes. Is the amplitude. These are the maximum displacement of particle from its mean position. So amplitude is also measured in meter or centimeter. Amplitude is also measured in meter or centimeter. The dimension of amplitude is m0, L1 and T0. These are the dimension of amplitude. Then what is my velocity? Velocity म्हणजे काय? आपण डिस्प्लेसमेंट पाहणार आहोत. डिस्प्लेसमेंट म्हणजे when a body will be traveled from one point to another point. The body will be moved from one place to another place, one point to another point. Also displacement is measured in meter or centimeter. Displacement is also measured in meter or centimeter. What is the dimension of displacement? Displacement is denoted by S. Displacement, the dimension is mass is 0, length is 1, time is 0. Is the dimension of displacement. What is my velocity? Velocity means the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. The rate of change of displacement with respect to time are called as velocity, or velocity equal to distance covered by a wave divided by time period. Distance covered by wave divided by time period, V equal to is S by T. तर डिस्टन्स कवर्ड बाय वेव्ह आहे. मग आपल्याला काय करावं डिस्टन्स मध्ये? याच्यामध्ये लॅम्बडा बाय टी करावं. लॅम्बडा बाय टी. कारण डिस्टन्स कवर्ड बाय वेव्ह आहे. वेव्हचं डिस्टन्स किती आहे? लॅम्बडा आहे. आणि टाइम पिरियड किती आहे? कॅपिटल टी आहे. सो व्ही इज इक्वल टू लॅम्बडा बाय टी आहे. इज द वेलॉसिटी ऑफ वेव्ह. Velocity of wave is measured in meter per second. Meter per second. And it is denoted by V. The dimension of V or velocity is mass is 0, length is 1, time is -1. Is the dimension of velocity. Next one is the progressive wave. Progressive wave. What is my progressive wave? Progressive wave कशाला म्हणायचं? Progressive wave means the waves which are continuously travel in the given direction of propagation of wave. Direction of propagation of wave. Progressive wave means the waves which are continuously travel in the given direction of propagation of wave are called as progressive waves. Progressive waves are of two types. Number 1, transverse wave आणि दुसरी आहे longitudinal wave. एक आहे ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्ह आणि दुसरी आहे लॉन्जिट्युडिनल वेव्ह. व्हॉट इज माय ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्ह? ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्ह म्हणजे काय? ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्ह मीन्स द व्हायब्रेशन ऑफ पार्टिकल इन ए मीडियम इज परपेंडिक्युलर टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रोपगेशन ऑफ वेव्ह. So these are the waves. These are the progressive waves. These are the direction of propagation of waves. Direction of propagation of waves. The vibration of particles are in this type. These are the vibration of particles. Means हे बघा, हे आहे डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रोपगेशन ऑफ वेव्स. आणि पार्टिकलचं व्हायब्रेशन जे आहे, व्हायब्रेशन आर इन दिस टाइप. They are exactly perpendicular. There is a 90 angle, and these are the vibration of particles. Vibration of particles. Transverse wave means the vibration of particle in a medium is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave are called as transverse wave. What are the characteristics of transverse waves? What are the characteristics of transverse waves? The first characteristic, आपण डेफिनेशनच्या स्वरूपात लिहित असतो. म्हणजे काय? The vibration of particle in a medium is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave are called as transverse waves. Number 2, transverse waves consisting of crest and trough. Transverse waves consisting of crest and trough. Number 3, wavelength. The distance between one crest and adjacent trough is the wavelength. The distance between one crest and adjacent trough is the wavelength. And it is denoted by lambda. चौथा पॉइंट ची फ्रिक्वेन्सी असेल. So number of cycles per second or reciprocal of time period is the frequency. So n equal to 1 by t. Transverse wave travels through only in solid. Transverse waves travel through only in solid. Next point, they are periodic in space and periodic in time. They are periodic in space and periodic in time. These are the 6 points. The velocity of transverse wave is v is equal to root of t by m. V equal to root of t by m is the velocity of transverse. What is the V? V means velocity of the wave, transverse wave. T means tension in the string. M means mass per unit length. Small m means mass per unit length, or it is also called as linear density आपण म्हणतो. Then v equal to root of t by m is the velocity. For example, rope is the best example of transverse wave. Rope. Then these are some characteristics of. Next one is the longitudinal waves. Longitudinal wave means the vibration of particle in a medium is parallel. ही व्हायब्रेशन कसा असेल? ही व्हायब्रेशन ऑफ पार्टिकल असेल. These are the vibration of particle. आणि ही आहे डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ वेव्स. Direction of propagation of wave, and these are the vibration of particle. Vibration of particle. The vibration of particle in a medium is exactly parallel to the direction of propagation of waves, are called as longitudinal waves. For example, we have to given one spring. एक आपण स्प्रिंग घेतलेली आहे. These are the initial position of the spring. That is the main position. Spring is also made up of small particles. Then one end of the spring will be fixed by rigid support. Such spring will be pulled in the downward direction. Pulled in the downward direction. And leave the spring. At that time the spring should be compressed. The spring should be compressed, and there is a rarefaction. The particles are widely separated from each other, and there the particles are crowded together. But the spring should be oscillate are in this direction. These are the vibration of particles, and these are the direction. So there is a compression is formed, there is a rarefaction is formed, there is a compression, means longitudinal waves consisting of compression and rarefaction. Compression and rarefaction. What are the characteristics? The first one is definition. As I said, the vibration of particle in a medium is parallel to the direction of propagation of waves, are called as longitudinal waves. Next point, longitudinal waves consisting of compression and rarefaction. Compression and rarefaction. So third point, what is by compression and rarefaction? Next, चौथा पॉइंट आहे वेवलेंथ काय असेल. So distance between two compression or two rarefaction is the wavelength. त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी पण सेम असेल. n is equal to 1/t means reciprocal of time period is the frequency. But longitudinal wave travels through solid, liquid and gases. या लॉन्जिट्युडिनल वेव्ह सॉलिड मधून पास होतात, लिक्विड मधून आणि गॅसेस स्टेट मधून. Then the velocity of longitudinal wave is v is equal to E by rho. E by rho. V means velocity of longitudinal waves. E means modulus of elasticity, and rho is the density of the material. So V is equal to root of E by rho. Also they are periodic in space and periodic in time. And the example is spring. Example spring. So these are the some characteristics of longitudinal waves. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण जे काही 11वीला बेसिक कन्सेप्ट होते, जे की तुम्हाला आता 12वीमध्ये उपयोगात येणार आहेत, त्या कन्सेप्टचा आपण अभ्यास केला. फक्त आपण वेव्ह या विषयावर फक्त वेव्हची डेफिनेशन, त्याचे कन्सेप्ट, त्याचे क्लिअर काय असतात, या सर्व बेसिक डेफिनेशन आहेत, त्या सर्व डेफिनेशन आपल्याला आलेल्या पाहिजेत.